So another one of the houses that you've just been telling me about, Nick, is the home you built in Lake Domain Drive, is it?
Yes.
Yeah. Can you tell me a little bit about what the owners were looking for there and how that project ended up?
That home, the clients had lived, it was a big section, I think it was like a 900 or 1,000 square metre section, and it sloped and had beautiful views of the lake, and they lived in the house up on the top of the section. They lived there for, I think it was 28 years, I think they'd lived there. And the front part of the section that sloped down towards the road and out towards the lake, and that was her garden, and she just had this beautiful garden. Eventually they always had this dream that they'd subdivide and build this new home there from, subdivided it, and there was big retaining walls and that to do, and it was quite a tricky setup because the top house was obviously up quite high, and when we cut it out, we had to cut straight down in front of it, and it was a bit of a hairy sort of a
engineering challenge.
Yeah, it was a bit, and then we built the house, and really it was quite a stunning house. Client of ours, or tenant in one of our houses actually, was looking for a house, and we managed to actually sell the top house for them as well.
Right. Okay.
So they got a sort of a 2-for-1 bargain to that job. So yeah.
And what were the owners looking to, what sort of style and vision did they have for that house that you built?
They put a lift in, just future-proof basically, and but they had an individual, so they had a couple of bedrooms downstairs with their own, and they had a little kitchenette down there, so that if their adult children did come and stay, they could have their own little areas.
So it really worked for their lifestyle.
Yeah. Okay. And then upstairs was all the living areas and a big deck out the front, and just beautiful views of the lake. So
and again, it's a home that you won some awards for.
Yes,
can you tell us about that?
We won a gold award for that house, and then we won our category. And in that category there was 6 finalists, I think, for that category, and every one of the finalists got a gold award, which is pretty well unheard of.
So it was a pretty tough category to win.
Yeah, it was, yes, and then we came out on top of that, so we were really chuffed for that, and again we got selected for the national finals. So.